Hi, Assalamu Alaikum. If you are new here, my name is Rayya. Thank you guys for clicking on my video. I focus on modest fashion, lifestyle, and beauty content. So if you're interested in those things, click that subscribe button down below. Okay? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. So today's video is going to be an updated makeup routine, a little chit chat with me too, because you know I like to chat. Sometimes I like to talk, maybe too much, but still. So you guys can get to know me, basically my thoughts and everything going on in my life and just life period. If you guys would like to see how I achieve my everyday makeup routine, keep on watching. Alright, so today's video is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me, life update kind of thing, I guess. I may not be able to talk and do my makeup. I did it before and that was a very surprise. So we're going to try to do that again. If not, it's just going to be a little tutorial for you guys, okay? So first, I always obviously start off with primer. I actually bought this by accident. I really wanted the hydrating primer because I love the hydrating primer way better. But this is the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. So we're going to use what we have. Yeah. And this is after I put on moisturizer and sunscreen. So I'm now with the sunscreen girls, okay? All of you gotta get with it because sunscreen is very important, especially because if you have like dark marks, hyperpigmentation, because you can imagine you go out in the sun, you're gonna get tan, but guess what's gonna get darker? Your dark marks. You know, I had to smack myself in the head like, duh, sis, what? So yeah, we prime our face, boop, boop, boop. All right. Personally, I love to do brows first before everything else because that's the most important to me in my makeup routine. Because I feel like if your brows not good, honey, it throws the whole look off. You can't, come on. You know? That's just my opinion. But yeah, so we started with brows. I still use my trusty NYX Tame Frame brow pomade in the color Espresso. It hasn't failed me yet, so why move on? You know? So yeah. I'm going to use that. Oh, you see anything different? It's got a septum piercing. That's on per. It was really random, honestly. I've always saw it on people and really liked it, but never was like, yeah, I have to do this, you know? So, yeah. I actually really love it now. Before I was a little iffy about it. I was a little iffy. Can't even lie to y'all. I was a little iffy. But it has grew on me. Like, my people were saying, like, it's probably going to grow on you, Rayya. So I'm like, okay, fine. I'll keep it. And it was like $50. I guess because, you know, because of the pandemic, a lot of stuff is either more expensive than it usually is before. And then, you know. And a lot of people are not doing nose piercings because you have to remove your mask in order to do it. It may look messy now because I just, you know, the concealer is going to clean it up, so it's alright. Also, guys, I made it to 50K followers on Instagram. Like, what? And it's all because of this one reel that I did. It's a makeup reel, and the transition was like me in all black, you know, like the Panthers. Black power. Okay, we was in all black. And then I transitioned to like a fist or whatever. And I did not expect that to get so much love, y'all. I did not expect that at all. Like, it's crazy. Yeah. Like, I went from 47K. I was stuck at 47K for mad long. It was getting me annoyed. Because I'm like, hello. And then, boom. Put that video out. It hit 1 million views on Instagram. It's about to hit 1 million views on TikTok. And I'm sitting here like, what? That's crazy. I would have never thought I would have hit 1 million views on anything. So it's really dope to see that, especially because, you know, you work hard on things and you want people to, you know, like it. And, you know, I love it, so I put it out. But, you know, you also, when you receive love from something that you worked hard on, it's a good feeling, you know. It's like you're not being overlooked. So really good feeling that hit so well. But yeah. How have you guys been? We still in this damn pandemic. It's driving me crazy. You know, I want to travel. Like in 2019, I went to 3 countries. I was out. Sis was going. I was out in 2019. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to do the same thing in 2020. Yeah. I'm going to finish my brows and then come back. Yeah, because this is not working. Alright, sis, I'm back with my brows done. I wonder if I've ever stopped saying period. Like, it's just become a part of my vocabulary. It just makes everything feel better. It emphasizes what you're trying to say. So I don't think I ever will stop saying period. But anyway, so we move on to our foundation. I still use my Fenty Beauty Hydrating foundation. This is in the shade 385. I don't know how it's looking on my skin right now because I'm super light right now. Like, I'm like, yeah, where's the sun? I need it. I need her. Where is she? So it may look a little dark on me, but because I'm putting on, like, what's it called, concealer, and it's pretty light, I don't mind it looking so dark. It won't look as orange later on my skin. But yeah, I do need to find my like winter shade because this ain't it. Sorry, this beauty blender is from Real Techniques and it's damp. I'm just trying to, like, I feel like my life is like I'm in this weird space. When you're in this stage, you're like, am I doing the right thing? Like, I be asking Allah every time, hey, am I in the right space? Am I where I'm supposed to be? So yeah, that's the only frustrating thing about where I am right now. And like, you know, you get older, you're like, am I doing what I'm supposed to do? Like, am I on the right path? Like, oh, it's so annoying. It's so annoying. So for concealer, I'm using NARS creamy concealer in caramel, and I put it under my eye, right here under my nose, the bridge of my nose. I always do this crooked. I don't know why. A little on my forehead. And yeah, I don't put it on my chin anymore. I just keep it right there in here. Like, I just like being in this confused space in my life. I like so dislike it. But like, you know, it's a journey, you know, we all go through it. I'm still in my 20s, so it's like, this is when we all are trying to find ourselves. And it's hard, but we're gonna make it out. Now let's talk about Instagram, okay? Instagram is irking me. Like, why are you changing the algorithm so much? Like, can we go back to when it was in chronological order? Oh my gosh. Like, why is that so hard? Can we go back to showing the followers our pictures? Like, why is that so hard? I'm confused. Like, why am I making it so hard? And then y'all gonna be tight. Oh, I got something on my head this whole time. Y'all ain't tell me. Why I'm making it so hard? And y'all gonna be tight when another app really comes out, just like Instagram, because Instagram be stealing everybody's stuff, okay? They got the stories like Snapchat. They got the reels like TikTok. And they come out with statuses, it's about to be a wrap. Sayonara, Twitter. You know? But nah, Twitter, they will never get rid of Twitter. Because Twitter is X-rated. I don't have a Twitter, but stuff I be seeing people posting, I'm like, what in the world? Instagram just changed so much. So much. It's like impossible. Impossible. So I'll go in next with, this is Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Cookie. It's just to brighten my under eye a little bit. I don't put that much. I think that was a lot. So, ooh. And like literally a tiny bit on my nose. I think that was a lot. But yeah. Blend, blend, blend. I really love this concealer. I feel like it has made my makeup so much more smoother. And I literally just blend it like under my eye first. And then I like bring it down a little bit. But I try not to bring it all the way down here. I don't want everywhere to be super bright. And I don't put it on my forehead because I don't want my forehead to be super bright either. So try to keep it under my eye. Blend, blend, blend. So yeah, we don't want any harsh lines. So I always try to make sure like I'm blending, 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 honey. Because we do not want that. It's not cute. Okay? So, after we blended, I use a different bronzer now. And I don't usually liquid. Sometimes I do liquid and then like powder, but now I just do powder. And this is Fenty Beauty's bronzer in Sunstalker bronzer in Caramel Cutie. And first what I do is literally take this brush. It's mad big. I shouldn't be using this brush, so I probably should use a smaller brush, but I don't. So mind your business. No, but and then I just take it on the sides of my nose and I just put it there. Not OV, but I'm still trying to figure out my nose contour business because I just feel like my nose contour is always coming out crooked. Like, chill out. You don't need that energy, just crooked energy. And then, y'all, this right here has become a holy grail of mine. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder. Y'all, fire. Okay, get on it. But yeah, I take it first down the middle of my nose. I don't know why I did that. What? But yeah, take it down the middle of my nose. And then we go to under eye. And I literally pat it in. I don't usually bake because I'm already dry as hell. So I usually bake. Pat this sucker in. But yeah, y'all, 2021, it feels different. Like, you know, I always speak positivity. And I always be like, you know what, I'm going to make it. And I know I am. It's just a matter of, right, you got to just continue to do the work. I'm just trying to be a better person overall. So after I do that, I go back with my bronzer. And then I do the rest of my face. I bronze my cheeks. Wipe some off because you don't want OD. So I start here. Boom, boom, boom. I usually just pat it in though. Pat it in. And then forehead. I just have this random brush. I don't even think this is supposed to be to wipe away, but I'll wipe it away with this. So I usually tap it in, wipe it away, tap it in, wipe away. So after the bronzer, I do take this. I think this is a powder brush, but I use it for like blush. And this is like a really old blush set. I don't know. I stole it from my sister. But it's Technique. That's what it's called. And I use this shade right here. I literally just do like one little boop. Because it is pigmented. Okay? And I don't want to be super pink. I literally just dap my cheek like, smile. You know? It brings another more life into your face. After that, I just go in with my trusty Urban Decay All Night Spray. Spray my face. Okay, wait for that to dry. Okay, so after my face is like dried or whatever, I go in with this NYX matte liquid liner and I make my fake little moles. So I put one under my eye, here, under my nose, on my nose, on my eye, and I guess for the purpose of this video, I may do it under my eye. So I just literally take it here and move my hand around in the same space. This thing's a little dry. It's making my... I don't know. But yeah. I need a new liner, I guess. I either swirl it around or like dot, dot, dot. But you gotta be super careful. Okay, so for the lip, all right, honey, this is the best part for me. We have the KK Beauty Brown Lip Liner. So I just line my lips with this. Okay, then I go in with the KKW Beauty 2.5 nude lipstick. Put that in the middle. You know, put your lips together so you can kind of blend better. But don't cover the brown completely because you want to still see it a little bit. Alright. And then the best part is the lip gloss. So this is the nude 2.5 lip gloss by KK Beauty as well. KKW Beauty as well. And you just put the lip gloss over it. So I'm going to put on some liner and a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes, and then I'll be back. So this is the finished product of this makeup tutorial, and I'm so happy with how it came out because, you know, some days I be doing my makeup and I'm like, this is the same routine I always do. Why I look like this today? You know, sometimes, you know, you have those days. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys will try out some of these products. I really, really highly recommend Laura Mercier Translucent Powder and the Too Faced Concealer. These two have changed my makeup OD, so I really love those products. So that is all for today's video. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button, guys. I really, really do appreciate you guys so much. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Assalamu Alaikum.